I work with funeral directors, and my task is to find presenters that can bring fresh information to our members. As a planner, one of the frustrations that I have at times is I have a presenter who just gives a canned presentation. And no matter how much I work with them, they won't customize it to our group's needs. And from the beginning, Matt was wonderful to work with. He was very communicative through email and phone and any of the conversations that we had, and he made sure that his session was customized to our industry. Some of the other presenters that we had were knowledgeable, but they weren't quite sure how to connect with our audience. And when Matt came, there was this electricity that took place. He's very approachable and he's very energetic. He's not going to be the person that stands behind the podium and drones on and on. He tends to move across stage, he makes eye contact with people, and everyone is engaged. You don't have anyone who's falling asleep while he's presenting. One of the things that I appreciated about Matt was after he was done presenting, he didn't rush off. He made himself available and spoke to people afterward. When Matt was finished, at least half of them went forward to the front because they had additional questions and they really wanted to speak to him. Matt was such a hit with our smaller workshop that my hope is to bring him back next year for one of our larger events. And so Matt, if you're listening right now, you better come back in 2017.